How to customize notification sound on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's begin. Tap on settings. So scroll until you get to haptics and sound. Tap on it. Now scroll down. You can tap on text tone, new mail or new voicemail. So it all depends. Tap on this. Then from here you can select any sound you wish. You can pick this, you can pick this one. Now that I've done that, go back here now to customize notification on your apps. Then go back to the main settings button, scroll down to the base of the app, tap on app set app. Now here locate and search for any app. So let's tap and look for messages here. So here let's tap on message apps. Once tap on message apps, go ahead and tap on notification. Once tap on notification, it comes up like this. Make sure that the notification is allowed. Then here you see sound, tap on sound. Now here you can customize the message or the notification on your message. So you can select this one, you can select this one. So it has to do with you. Now that I've done that, you can as well customize the notification of your third party apps like WhatsApp and the like. So let's try and do that for WhatsApp. Come over here and search for WhatsApp, or you type in WhatsApp on the list of apps you have on your device. Tap on this WhatsApp button. Now that I've tapped on WhatsApp button, it comes up like this. Tap on notification. Once tap on notification, you have WhatsApp like this. Now you can see that this button is can only be enabled. Then scroll down to the base until you see WhatsApp notification setting on your device. Tap on it. Once tap on WhatsApp notification setting, it brings to this interface. Now you can see that you have it here, message notification. Then under sound, tap on this note button. Once tap on note button, then you can customize notification sound on your WhatsApp. So let's try and pick any of these now. That's all, guys. You've been able to tap on save now. Once tap on save, that's all, guys. You've been able to customize notification sound on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.